Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I'm at a cafe. I am at a cafe right now. I ordered a coconut coffee in the past. I paid for my coffee with my credit card. And I said thank you to the kind lady who attended me. I love coconut coffee. Now I'm sitting at a small round table outside. While I watch people pass by. I watch people cross the road and pass in front of me. It's one of my favorite things to do. Sitting down at a coffee shop while I watch people passing by and I drink and think. And I thought I should share that with you as a fun way to practice English listening. Did you notice which sentences I used in present simple and which sentences I used in past simple? Let me know in the comments. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about pain. There are different types of pain, right? But today, I want to talk about physical pain because my rib has been hurting really bad lately. I was working out, but the day after, I woke up with intense aching in my rib. You know that feeling when you just ate and then you go for a walk or a run and you start to feel pain in your ribs? That's exactly how I felt all day. It didn't make any sense. And the pain continued the next few days. I couldn't move or breathe too deep or yawn or sneeze because my ribs and lungs were in so much pain. I hate being in pain. It drives me crazy, but it makes me feel grateful for the days when I feel healthy and without pain. What's the worst part of being in pain for you? Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I want to talk about my family. I have a relatively big family. I have 2 siblings, 1 brother, and 1 sister. My brother is 15 years old, and my sister is 24 years old. Do you have any siblings? How old are they? My siblings are fun to hang out with. They are both very kind and patient with me. I sometimes can be very stubborn and irritable. I am easily frustrated, but they are usually very patient with me. One thing my sister does a lot is procrastinate. She procrastinates all the time. She is always putting things off to the last minute. If she has something to finish in 1 week, she leaves it to the last day to start. My brother, however, is more responsible, but he can be lazy sometimes. He can be a total couch potato. A couch potato is someone who doesn't want to leave the couch. They just want to sit and watch TV and eat all day. But everyone has their own problems. My sister, my brother, and I all have our own issues. What do you think one of your problems is? Are you a procrastinator? Are you stubborn? Are you lazy? Maybe a couch potato sometimes? Let me know in the comments below. And subscribe to my YouTube channel for more slow English videos. Bye. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This week, I went to Mexico City. I love going to big cities. I love trying all the best restaurants in the city. I love shopping. I love just walking around and exploring. Do you like visiting big cities? What do you like about big cities? Today, I will relax at my Airbnb. I plan on watching movies, eating food, and resting. What will you do today? Follow for more slow English podcasts. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. This podcast is for beginner listeners. Today, I want to talk about sleep and rest. Today, I woke up late. I woke up around 10 a.m. I was so sleepy. I went to bed last night and I woke up at 10 a.m. That means I got 11 hours of sleep. I usually don't sleep that much. But last night, I was really tired. So I like to give my body lots of rest and care when I feel low on energy. A good night's sleep is so important for me. If I don't get my full 8 hours of sleep, I can't function the next day. And luckily, I got to sleep in late this morning. But usually, I have to wake up at 8 a.m. And it's so frustrating when I can't fall asleep at night. Because if I have to wake up early, then I don't get enough sleep. Sometimes when I can't sleep, I just lay in bed and wait and think, but I just can't fall asleep. How many hours of sleep do you need every night? Do you get enough sleep at night? Let me know in the comments below. Hello, and welcome back to my Slow English podcast. Today, I am at home. I came back home. I like talking about home. I like thinking about home. Home brings nice feelings. It warms my heart to be around my family. And when I was younger, I had lots of different homes in Nebraska, Iowa, Pachuca, Puebla. But for me, my home has always been wherever my family is. My mom, my dad, my brother, and my sister make home for me. And of course, my comfortable bed and chair and desk to work. What makes you feel at home? Comment your answers down below.